How's it going today, guys? My name is Mike Ulrich. I'm standing aboard a 2025 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. I'm out here in the wild on a sandbar, and I'm going to show you why this boat makes the perfect weekend getaway. Starting right up here in the bow, you're going to notice no railings on this. Reason being, you can easily beach this boat on a sandbar, walk right on and off, but you're not losing any functionality. All right, this one has the bow seating package. These cushions, nice and removable. Throw those out of the way. You can easily walk off this boat, not stepping on your cushions, easy on and off from the sandbar. This one's also equipped with the trolling motor panel. That's that little black box up there. What that's set up for? Trolling motor, all right? If you want to mount a trolling motor on this boat, all the hardwire is already ran up there. You pick the brand, and we're going to get on there for you. Close these cushions up. Great lounge. You have nice railings still for security. Cup holders right below. This one we did equip with the fishing package. When you select the fishing package on the Montauk, what that gives you, additional backrest here, more seating, of course, and this is a Yeti cooler underneath it, custom cushion that goes on top. But in addition to that, you're going to have a molded little tackle storage, little terminal storage, nice in the side. It's great. It eliminates some of the clutter on board, but makes it nice and easy. This is a designated spot to mount a fire extinguisher for you. Again, keeping the boat nice and clean and open. This boat is set up, like I said, day in the wild. You're seeing exactly how somebody would use this boat for the day. Up here on the helm, I'm going to go over all the options that you have. This one you can get with a 7 or 9-inch Simrad. This one is the 9-inch right here. It comes nice and clean mounted. You've got your digital analog, which is nice for your RPM and your speed. Your rocker switch is here, and then this one we equip with the Simrad VHF, 2 additional cup holders. Obviously your throttle here for Mercury, and your JL audio system, nice and easy. A cool classic touch I like on these is the old school Montauk logo integrated into the steering wheel. Like I said, just an old school classic touch that Whaler keeps using. For the helm seat here, this one is the optioned flip back and forth helm seat. The reason why I like this is that you can set this up to whatever configuration you want, okay? And a lot of people overlook these seats, and it's a big mistake because you can do a lot more than just face forward or back. So when I can face back here, I can look out at the bay, I can see what's going on. If I'm doing a little bit of trolling or I'm hanging out with friends and family, everybody can be here comfortable for the conversation. But not only that, when you flip it forward and sit forward comfortably, you can also set it a little bit different to use it as almost a bolster seat, which is nice. I know a lot of my fellow boaters like to stand up or lean back when they're underway. So it's a simple feature that Whaler offers that really just opens up the versatility offered on these already incredibly versatile boats. But when you do go with this seat, integrated in it is a massive, massive live well. Again, it's secured in there, completely insulated. You can use it for the catch of the day, or in days like today, it's a great cooler. We did do the high railings aft. Again, you can get them throughout the whole boat, but for around here, we like doing the half railing to keep that bow open. On the back of this boat, again, complementing the seats on the front, you're going to have 2 additional seats in the back. You have a little swim platform back there for easy boarding. This one, we, of course, went with the max horsepower. This is the Mercury 150. Standard's going to be a 115 command thrust. We like to put the 150 on it, get everybody on the boat, and get it up on plane out of the way, and you're prepared for everything. On a sunny day like today, it's nice to have a little bit of shade. This one we went with the powder-coated T-top and the canvas top. This one is in marina blue. You can get it in black as well. But like the seats, you also have additional shade options. So this one is the powder-coated T-top. You can also do no top, keep it nice and open, or you can go with the standard bimini top. So this boat is unique, and you can make it the perfect boat for your day on the water. To learn more about this boat, you can visit your local MarineMax or come see me right here at MarineMax Venice. My name is Mike Ulrich. Thanks for watching.